Well, hello everybody and welcome to Lone Star Trapper. I'm Jerry and today we're getting out here and checking some sets. This is actually my third check and I've had one skunk. Last year I watched some videos and started using the polyfill underneath my pan. And right now I'm running a dozen sets out here and every one of them was dug up. Now not the trap, just the polyfill out from underneath the pan. And I put a trail camera on it and found out that it wasn't critters, it was mice. The field out here has changed. It was a plowed field, but they're not farming it anymore, so now it's all grass and weeds and everything else, and I'm guessing there's a lot of mice that's moved in. So I had to change back to pan covers and go back and redo most of my traps. So I'm kind of anxious to see how it turned out and made a difference. So whenever I get down to the first one, I'll get you turned back on. Out here and take a look at this one. Oh, sounds like a talker too. You fell for the old bone set, huh? That's a pretty nice looking coat. Oh, dog, he's in there by his toes. I barely got that dude. I'm gonna have to get this one done and move on down to the next one. We'll see you down at the next one. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna show you the remake here on this bone set. I just got me a great big old leg bone, and what I've done, I've drilled 2 holes in it. You see, one right there, and then there's a hole right there. And I just put 2 gland lures, 2 opposite different kind of gland lures down in them. And of course, I ran a stake down here so nobody else would run off with it, as in another coyote or something. And the trap, it's right there. And that's the way I just caught that dude. Pretty cool set, really. Real quick. I'm gonna have to go find me some more bones. I like that. So, alright, let's go down here to the next one. Yeah, it looks like we got another one right here. I see movement anyway. Yeah. Let's get out and take a look at him. Oh, yeah. Pretty coat. Like a young one. He ain't going nowhere. He's in there deep. Yeah, he's a nice little coat. A nice, good, deep pad catch in there. Alright, let's get him taken care of and head on down to the next one. Here's a remake where I caught that second coyote. As you can see, it's pretty well all blown out. I just pulled it and put in a fresh set right here. She left a little present as a female. I got it there. Just pretty much a little flat set. And then I have another one right here. And there's been some raking in it. I'm gonna have to redo that one. Alright, let's head down to the next one. Alright, well, that's gonna do it for this video. 2 coyotes, and still I had one trap that was messed with. I still think it was the field mice messing with it, looking for that darn polyfill. But it seems that the pan covers made a difference. So y'all don't forget to like, subscribe, tell everybody about it. Wow, I'm all the way up to 200 subscribers now. I'm going big time. So y'all please do hit the subscribe, hit the like for me. It really helps me out, and I will see you on the next one.